how to change theme in chess.com. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm excited because you'll be learning how you can change theme in chess.com. So to do so, log in into your account, and once you've done that, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the settings option and just click on it. So after clicking on your settings option, you will be brought to the profiles settings page. Then move to the left side where you can see a sidebar showcasing options like profile, board and PCs, themes. So just select themes. And then by the right side of the page, the themes available would be displayed. All right, the custom themes that have been customized for you would be displayed. So you can just go ahead and change it to the theme that you would like to use. So for me, I'll be selecting this one, which is Cosmos, and then wait for it to load. And as you can see, the theme has been changed just like that. All right, you can select as many as you want as well. Just go ahead and select it, and the theme would be changed, as you can see. Personally, I feel this particular theme called glass is very cool because it will customize your mind for you to know that you are on chess.com, and it can also serve as an encouragement. So this is it, alright. This is how you can change theme in chess.com. If this video has helped you, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much.